Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Quick video testing na tayo ng unit ni Sir Earl John. Shoutout po kay Sir Earl John. Ito na po ang inyong unit, sir. 5.2K by WE. Ayan. So, buksan na natin. So, ito yung kasama. Owner's Manual. Allen Wrench. Magazine. 30 rounder capacity. And this is the unit. Yan, WE markings, serrations on rear, serrations on front. So, halos magkahawig sila ng 5.1K. Pero, ang kaibahan lang ito, this one is split slide. Yan, then meron siyang design na ganito. Okay. Sa 5.1K standard yung muzzle kasi niya dito. Okay, so dito sa 5.2K, meron siyang design na ganyan. So, meron siyang serrations. Yan. And then, mas mahaba yung kanyang tactical railing. Okay. Ayan. With markings pa din. Ayan. So, this is, ambidextrous manual safety. Let's check natin. Ayan. Ambidextrous. If working. So, working manual safety. Safety off. And then, check natin yung beaver tail safety. So, hanggat hindi siya engage, kahit kadabitin mo siya, hindi siya pumapalo. So, press the beaver tail safety and then that's the time na engage siya, pwede siya pumalo. Okay, so working beaver tail and working manual safety. So, ito yung unit, sir. 5.1K, 5.2K, sorry. Then, lagyan natin ng bigis. Okay, lagyan natin ng gas, inverted position, and press. Oops. Kailangan nakatutok. So, ganun mangyayari pag hindi nakatutok yung nozzle doon sa valve. Okay, so kailangan natutok. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 segundo lang. Okay na po. Okay, and then yung previous nyo, sir, 0.25 grams. Ginawa ko ng 0.25 para mas mabigat. And then yung gas. Number 12. So, ayan po yung marireceive nyo, Sir Earl John. So, ngayon, test fire po tayo. Test fire po tayo ng unit 5.2K ni Sir Earl John. Okay. Okay, Sir Earl John, testing tayo ng unit. Ganda ng unit, oh. 5.2K by WE High Kappa. Okay. Ready to fire? Firing. Open slide. Okay, pag wala na siyang bala, open slide, release the magazine. And then, press down the stop slide release para bumalik yung slide to original position. And release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Earl John, okay na po ang inyong unit. If you have question regarding your unit, please message us sa aming 5th Generation Hobby Shop page. Okay, thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you and God bless.